with Jeff. He just impresses me every time I race against him or whenever I did race against him. How he could just put everything together when it's time. That's what makes a difference between a good racer and a bad racer. Is the guy that can work through the difficult times, and Jeff has proven time and time again how he can do that.
Exchange 14 continues Sunday on ABC Pacific. That's the debut of Skate Super Park. And then Travis Pastrana goes to pole in a rally against newcomer David Parra. Exchange 14 on ABC on Sunday. Born in Scotland, comes to the United States. When he is not racing something, two wheels